Welcome to the Plaza Mayor here sa Madrid, Spain. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. First, I would like to say thank you guys for watching my Barcelona trip video. And right now, I am very happy we arrived safe here in Madrid, the capital of Spain, or let's say the largest city. So yes guys, right after na dumating kami dito, nag-rest lang kami a couple of hours sa hotel. And of course, this is our first day, so hindi natin palalagpasin. I decided na night walking tour. So in-explore na namin. Welcome to the view of Plaza Mayor during night time. Napakaganda nga naman talaga dito in person. So hindi mo talaga pagsisisihan. It's really worth to visit, and especially this Madrid. One of my bucket list since this is the capital of Spain. And then right after here, mag-walking lang tayo around the center. And then papunta rin tayo sa cathedral. And then after the cathedral, magdi-dinner kami. We have a dinner invitation. And then tomorrow, that's our first na mag-explore tayo sa mga tourist destination here. So probably we're gonna go start tomorrow to another province, maybe Toledo. So see you guys to our next video. So thank you again for watching. Bye now.